5 things to remember while calculating tiles for your home. Step 1. Simple method is to multiply the length and the breadth of the area where a particular tile needs to be applied. So if you have a living room of say 12 feet by 15 feet, so the square feet area would be 180 square feet. Step 2. Don't forget to add skirting in case of floor tiles. Usually there is a 4-inch skirting. If we have 48 running feet, that is 576 running inches, into 4 inches divided by 144 gives us an extra of 16 square feet. Next is to add 10 to 15% wastage, as all your tiles will not be applied fully. Some pieces will get cut at the edges which might not fit anywhere else, so that would be considered as wastage. Also, some tiles might chip or break during the process of application. Number 4. Tiles are sold in predefined packages containing declared number of tiles of mentioned size. So our square feet area will get rounded off as per the number of tiles available in a box. You can check it out at the website as well. Lastly, always buy a few extra tiles for the future for unforeseen accidents, especially in case of bathrooms, if any leakages happen and you may not find the same tile in the future.